Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to add TradingView charts in Exness. First, understand that Exness does not offer direct integration for TradingView charts within its platform. Instead, you'll use TradingView as a powerful, standalone analysis tool. This approach allows you to leverage TradingView's advanced features while executing your trades efficiently on Exness. It's a common and effective strategy for many traders. To begin, open TradingView in your web browser or desktop application. Search for the specific financial instrument you wish to analyze, such as Eurust or gold. Once the chart loads, you can customize it with a wide array of technical indicators, drawing tools, and timeframes. This is where you'll conduct your in-depth market analysis, identifying potential entry and exit points for your trades. After completing your analysis on TradingView, switch over to your Exness trading platform. Log into your account and navigate to the trading terminal. Locate the exact same financial instrument you just analyzed. Based on your TradingView insights, you can then confidently place your market or pending orders, setting your desired stop loss and take profit levels directly within Exness. This ensures quick execution. For an optimal trading experience, consider using a dual monitor setup. This allows you to have TradingView open on one screen for analysis and Exness on the other for execution. Also, ensure your watch lists are consistent across both platforms to save time. Finally, practice this entire workflow with an Exness demo account first. This will help you become comfortable and efficient before trading with real capital.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.